Hello friends, today we will discuss about correlated subqueries in MySQL. In previous videos we discussed about subqueries in select clause, subqueries in where clause, queries in form clause. Fine. Now today we will discuss about subquery in, or we can say, correlated subqueries. Fine. Now whenever we want to join or we want to compare the data inside same table, then in that particular case we can go for correlated subqueries. Like over here I am having one table, in that particular table I am having employee salary. Fine. Now I want to compare that which employee's salary is greater than average salary of his department. Fine. We can calculate the total average salary and we can calculate the salary where we can compare all the employees. Fine. But when we want to compare the average salary in specific department, then in that particular case we have to perform activities on same table. And when we want to perform activities on same table, what we need to do is we need to create two different instances of same table. Fine. And then we have to compare the data with that two instances. Fine. So how can we do that? Let us see the query or demonstration of that. Fine. So here I am having one table, that is the employee table. In that table I am having employee salary, and I want to find out that which employee has salary greater than average salary of his or her department. Fine. So the query for that will be like select star from, and then the table name is say employee. Now I am going to give this name instance say O that represents outer. Fine. Let me write full one. Fine. O. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to compare whether the average salary is greater than average salary or not. Fine. So here it will be like where employee salary greater than. Now we need to provide a subquery over here, but the average salary will come from employee table only. Fine. So here it will be like select average employee salary from employee. Fine. And I am going to give this table, like name of that table say I. Fine. That is called inner one. Okay. So now this one is going to generate average of all the employees. Fine. But what we need is we need average of the employee who works in same department. Fine. So here I need to put one condition, that is where I dot, that is inner table, I dot department number equals to O dot department number. Fine. So this one is going to compare the department number, and based on that it is going to calculate the average, and then the outer query is going to compare employee salary based on the average of each and every department. Fine. So I hope you got the working of the correlated subquery. Fine. Let us click on the go button and let us see the result of this. Fine. So here we got the result where employee's salary is greater than his or her department's average salary. Fine. So this way we can use correlated subqueries in MySQL where we want to compare the data from the same table. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please stay connected morning 10 a.m. every day to get the new videos in MySQL. Thank you very much.